Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Tips. Today I have 12 odds for you. Let's get started. The first game we have today is in Algeria where CS Constantine is taking on Els Shetiva. My prediction is home team under 2.5 goals. The next one we have is in Latvia where B1 Enva is taking on FK Torres and my prediction is home team over 1.5 goals. We move on to Tunisia again, and we have a game between State Tunisia and taking on African, and my prediction is home team over 0.5 goals. Still in that Tunisia, we have a game between CA Basatin taking on US Tattoos, and my prediction here is home team under 2.5 goals. The next one we have is in Uzbekistan, where Metalurg is taking on Bonyoko, and my prediction here is over 1.5 goals at full time. The next one we have is in Finland, where AF Jaro Academia is taking on VPS, and my prediction is both team to score. Next one we have is in Latvia, where Valmiera is taking on Tecum 2000, and my prediction here is home team over 1.5 goals. The last one we have is in Brazil, where Botafogo is taking on Audax Rio, and my prediction is home team over 1.5 goals. That gives us a total of 12 odds and then 8 matches. This is the booking code for this game. So bet responsibly, and I will see you guys tomorrow or rather after the game. So good luck. Thank you.